Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super dramatic look and I'm living for it. I asked you guys on Instagram which look you wanted to see, and I know this like blue smoky eye is going crazy all over the internet because of Kim Kardashian and Mario's new palette that they're coming out with, which I did order. So if you want to see a look on that, give it a thumbs up so I know to do one when I get that in the mail. I feel like this blue color looks good on so many different eye colors, especially brown eyes. The blue just makes it pop like no tomorrow. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, this eyelid is a little pink, and if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should, it's always linked down below. I posted a story yesterday of me practicing this makeup look to make sure I knew exactly what I wanted to do before I filmed it, because that would suck if I went in and I hated it. And I think the pigment in the eyeshadow like stains my eyelid, or my eye doesn't react well with those colors. So I don't know. If this happens to anyone else, let me know, because it's a little weird. It doesn't hurt or anything, it's like pink eyeshadow all the time. Okay, so I have no foundation on or anything. I'm gonna start with my eyes because we're using really bold colors, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So just for safety purposes, I don't want to mess up my foundation. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer and put that all over my eyelids, just to prime our lids for our shadow. And I'm gonna go with this cute little beauty blender to blend it out. Now going in with my Laura Mercier to set it. I realize my mouth is open like an awful lot when I do tutorials. So this look is really simple. You just have to be pretty patient with it, but we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I can't open it. Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're using this blue. It's not quite the same blue as the color that Kim was wearing, because obviously the palette she has with Mario is like it's more of like an electric blue, which I did order the palette, so I'm really excited to get that. So I'm gonna go in with this tiny flat shader brush, which is the best brush in the whole world, honestly. And I'm gonna go in with the blue eyeshadow with it dry. And I'm gonna take my Fix Plus and I'm gonna spray it. Put that. Oh boy, that's such a nice color. Put that all over my lid. So right now you just want to focus this color on the lid and don't worry about the crease at this moment in time. Okay, so as you get close to the crease of the eye, you really want to make sure that you're blending it with a light hand. So you don't want to hold your brush like super close. You want to hold it a bit further back so that you have less pressure on the brush itself. I'm going to make this into a cat eye look like Kim had in the picture. And I'm going to slowly blend it out into a little V, and then connect that into my crease with super light pressure. Now, once you find that your brush is getting, once again, on the dry side, you start blending into the crease. Okay, so now that that is generally what I want, I'm gonna do that on the next eye. Okay, so now that we're here, it's not at all close to nicely blended by any means, but I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Pro editorial palette and this cobalt blue right here. I'm gonna use that to lightly put on this really small blending brush right along the edges of it to make it a nice blended look. Okay, so the eyeshadow's done. I'm gonna go in with my makeup wipes. And you just wanna use with your finger and draw that sharp line. So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Bang Mascara by Benefit. Okay, so now we're gonna go and do the rest of our makeup. So to start off, I'm gonna go in with this primer by Touch in Sol, the No Problem primer. The moment I touch my face, it goes like so red. So now I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty foundation and apply that. And I got foundation in my hair. Genius alert. Now blending that out with my beauty blender. Okay, going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer in Gypsum. Going in with a smaller beauty blender. Going in and setting my foundation again with the my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now you know the drill. I'm gonna go in and set my rest of my face with my Kat Von D foundation powder. So now I'm gonna go in with two bronzers to bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Hoola and the Too Faced Sweet Tea. This one has a bit of a shimmer, so I'm gonna go in and carve out my cheeks with the Hoola first, and then pretty much bronze up more with the Sweet Tea by Too Faced. Before we finish the rest of the face, I'm gonna pop on my Lily lashes in Mykonos. These are super dramatic, but they're life, okay? They're life. So I'm gonna do that and be right back. If you wanna know how I apply my false eyelashes, I do have a tutorial on it. It will be linked down below. So make sure to check that out after this video. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I also have an eyebrow tutorial that I will also link down below. And for the lower lash line, I honestly want to go with blue underneath my lashes. So I'm going to go in with this flat shader brush and just take my Sweet Tea bronzer and kind of like run that underneath my eye. Okay, so now for highlights. Inner corner highlight. I go with a pencil brush and my M Resi and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I'm gonna use this same highlighter to highlight my highlight my face. Okay, so for my lip color, I'm going in with my new favorite Obsession and my new favorite nude lip combo. So I'm going to start with lining my lips with MAC Strip Down. Now I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Satin Lipstick in Butterscotch. So you can stop there, keep it matte, but I'm going to go in with my favorite of all time now, and this is the Dose of Colors new Stay Glossy formula, and this is in Can You Not. Okay guys, this is the final result. This look is so bold but so nice and actually very easy to recreate. And if you are not following me on any of my social medias, it's always linked down below in the description box. I really love this look. I love how it came out. If you did too, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.